Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CP Nimawat, and today we are going to study about the preposition part 2 in, into, inside and outside. After watching this video, there is a link for online test in description. Please click on the link and submit the test. You will get your score. So let's start preposition part 2. First of all, we start with first two preposition in and into. Number 1, in. In એટલે માં અથવા તો અંદર જે વસ્તુની સ્થિતિ દર્શાવે છે. For example, the pen is in my pocket. Balls are in the bowl. The balls are in the bowl. Number 2, into. Into એટલે પણ માં અથવા તો અંદર જે ગતિ દર્શાવે છે, એટલે કે જે ગતિમાં હોવું જોઈએ. બહારથી અંદરની જ્યારે ગતિ થતી હોય ત્યારે આપણે into નો ઉપયોગ કરી શકીએ. As for example, the pen into my pocket. The pen into my pocket. Let's see more example. I am placing the balls into the bowl. Let's see more example. The difference between in and into. There is a water in the glass. There is water in the glass. And now the water is going into the glass. Have you got it? There is a blue pen in the cup. I am placing a black pen into the cup. The water in the bucket. The water flowing into the bucket. Children are in the bus. Children are getting into the bus. The lion jumped into the well. Now the lion is in the well. Let's do more practice of preposition in. શાળામાં, in the school, મારા ક્લાસમાં, in my class, તમારા દફતરમાં, in your bag, તેના ઘરમાં, in his house, તેઓના ખેતરમાં, in their field, અમારા ગામમાં, in our village. કે ગુજરાતીમાં જે નામની પાછળ માં અથવા તો અંદર શબ્દ આવતો હોય તેની આગળ most of in વાપરી શકાય. In is also used for time of the day. Let's see the example. In used for time of day. સવારે, બપોરે, બપોર પછી, સાંજે અને રાત્રે. આ રીતના દિવસના કુલ 5 સમય છે, જેમાં સવારે એટલે ઇન ધ મોર્નિંગ, બપોરે એટલે એટ નૂન, બપોર પછી ઇન ધ આફ્ટરનૂન, સાંજે ઇન ધ ઇવનિંગ અને રાત્રે એટ નાઇટ. તેમાં બપોરે અને રાત્રે એ બંને સાથે ઇન વપરાશે નહીં, તે બંને સાથે એટ વપરાશે. યાદ રાખવા માટે બંનેનો સ્પેલિંગની શરૂઆત એન થી થાય છે, નૂન અને નાઇટ, જેની સાથે ઇન વપરાશે નહીં. Now, in used for month and season. Let me explain you more. Board exam is taken in March. Kite flying days comes in January. Christmas days comes in the month of December. My son's birthday comes in September. Rains comes in monsoon season. We feel very cold in winter season. The sun shines very brightly in India in summer season. People use the umbrella and raincoat in rainy season. We wear sweaters in winter season. People like to have ice cream and cold drinks in summer season. Janmashtami comes in monsoon season. We can enjoy the taste of mango in summer season. And at last, in used for year. Let me explain you. In વર્ષ દર્શાવવા માટે પણ વપરાય છે. જેમ કે India got freedom from British in 1947. Cyclone Vayu came in Gujarat in 1998. The earthquake in Gujarat occurred in 2001. India won the World Cup in 1883 and 2011. Mr. Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister in 2014. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was started in 2014. GST was applied in India in 2017. Now we will learn the second use of into. હવે આપણે into નો બીજો ઉપયોગ સમજીએ. Friends, into છે તે મેથ્સમાં એક વસ્તુના વિભાગ પાડવા માટે પણ વપરાય છે. ચાલો આપણે જોઈએ into નો ઉપયોગ. An orange was cut into 2 equal parts. An apple is divided into 4 equal parts. A triangle is divided into 2 equal parts. This is the difference between in and into. જેનો ઉપયોગ તમે બરોબર સમજી ગયા હશો. Now let's see the difference between inside and outside preposition. Let's start. A watermelon is outside green and inside red in color. Sometimes an apple looks good outside but inside spoiled. The book is outside colorful but inside black and white. The roots of the plant is inside the land but the leaves are outside the land. Inside the air conditioned room is very cold but outside the room is hot. This is the part 2 of preposition. In, into, inside and outside. I hope that કે તમે બરોબર તેનો ઉપયોગ સમજી ગયા હશો. After watching this video, there is a link for online test of preposition part 2 in, into, inside and outside. So submit the test and you will get your score. અને હા, જો તમને આ વિડિયો પસંદ આવ્યો હોય તો લાઈક, શેર and subscribe my YouTube channel CP Nimawat. Don't go outside during lockdown. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.